Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this video, we'll talk about how to use the reference geometry to create more plane out of the 3 original planes given by the Solidworks. To get started, go to the features. Under the reference geometry, select plane. In the first reference, in this pink color box, select top plane. As you can see, by default, it is creating a new plane based on the offset value right here. This means it is creating a new plane on top of the top plane 10 millimeters away. To increase the plane distance, just increase the value right here. And if you want to create more plane in the same manner of the offset distance, just increase the number of planes to create right here. Now you can change the directions of the new plane to be created by checking this flip offset button right here. Now you can also select mid plane and then select the second reference and select the front plane as the second reference. And you can see now the new plane is created 45 degrees away from the front plane and the top plane. Simply check this flip offset in either one of the reference to create it in another direction. You can also remove the front plane and select the right plane to create it in another axis. That is all for creating a new plane using the reference geometry in this video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.